Welcome to the Carpigiani UF920 SP presentation. The UF920 SP is a high-capacity, self-pasteurizing soft-serve machine for producing large volumes of soft-serve ice cream, sorbets, and frozen yogurt. The large tank capacity and direct expansion cylinder make this soft-serve machine ideal for serving large quantities of soft serve, as well as being ready for high volumes of production rushes. The UF920 SP has a 40-liter tank capacity with 20 liters for each flavor, and is available in either gravity or pump-fed systems. The production feed position makes preloading the machine easier and safer than ever. The pump-fed version is equipped with a high-efficiency 3NSI stainless steel beater with self-adjusting plastic scrapers and a removable shaft, optimizing the machine's performance. This version is ideal for creating a more compact and drier gelato ice cream with an adjustable overrun between 40 and 80%. The gravity-fed version, on the other hand, features a high-efficiency removable POM beater, ideal for producing soft and creamy gelato with an overrun of up to 40%. On both options, it is possible to adjust the overrun even when the tank is full. Each side of the UF920 SP has an independent refrigeration system and user interface. Each side runs completely independently, making it possible to simultaneously make frozen desserts of different consistencies, such as a creamy dairy-based ice cream on one side and a water-based fruit flavor on the other. Furthermore, the optional independently functioning doors allow you to take further advantage of the independent size, giving you the freedom to run a pasteurization on one side while being in production on the other side, or to simply use the one side during the low season to save on energy costs. The UF920 can be equipped with the standard twin twist doors or two standard independent doors. Both doors are also available in Star version. With the Star door, you can customize the shape of your soft serve ice cream thanks to a wide range of nozzles. In addition, it is possible to add the monoportion kit, designed for filling jars, tubs, cups, and pints, and to produce single portions. Regardless of the type of liquid mixture being used, the hard Otronic control system allows you to choose and even change the consistency of each side with a dedicated control panel. The UF920 has a 3.8-liter direct expansion cylinder designed to optimize the refrigeration process, giving the user faster freezing times and more energy savings. Dispensing soft serve is easier than ever, thanks to the optional self-closing door, which helps eliminate waste and avoid spills by automatically returning the handle into the closed position once the operator has finished extracting. The speed of extraction can be changed with the adjustable delivery flow setting of the door handle. The pasteurization and mixed storage programs can be set to automatically run at a convenient time for you, such as overnight, in order to be fully functional the next day. With the automatic self-pasteurization system, you can choose when to wash the machine up to a maximum interval of 42 days. As a further guarantee of hygienic safety, if the operator does not perform the complete cleaning at the end of the set days, the machine goes into automatic block. In order to best maintain the flavors from the liquid mixture, the tank agitator prevents stratification during the storage and improves heat exchange during pasteurization. The UF920 is Teorema ready. Teorema is a remote control and diagnosis system for remote monitoring of machine operations. You can access it via computer or mobile device, and the Carpigiani technicians are automatically alerted about any potential issues the machine is having. The gravity-fed UF920 SP can produce over 900 portions of 75-gram cones in 1 hour, while the pump-fed UF920 SP can produce over 1,200 portions in 1 hour. Of course, production capacity always depends on the mix and settings used by the operator. The UF920 is the ideal solution for high-volume soft-serve needs. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right equipment. You can find the contact of your local Carpigiani distributor as well as more info at carpigiani.com.